So finally, congratulations to the APP. Now that the news is carrying it that Fubara lost at his polling unit, Wike also lost his polling unit to APP. So who owns the APP now? So APP is the new PDP, right? Anyway, despite that, I am no longer interested in Nigerian election. Everything about Nigerian election, I'm no longer interested again. But I have to say congratulations, very big congratulations to the APP. I know that the election was rigged, it's normal, but the people spoke, as well. But it's the same manipulation. But why people are happy? Because the emperor has been taught a lesson. Who is the emperor? Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike has, taking himself to become the god of the River State. Haba, Wike to do. There has been a lot of things that I've been watching this man doing, not only in River State, but the things he did in Edo State. This man is gradually rising like a monster that is going to make, the doomsday ahead of Nigeria to come quicker. I wish, sometimes I pray, I say, let the government continue to make mistakes because so that everything will just fold up and let what will happen just happen and let us stop this contraption called Nigeria. Up till now, a lot of people don't still believe that Nigeria is a failed state. Look at what is happening. Ordinary local government election, they are bombing APC secretariats. Ordinary local government election, helicopter is hovering around Port Harcourt. What sort of things is that? Anyway, Fubara 23, Wike 0. Yeah, the last local government that was remaining has been called. So APP won the whole 23 local government. Wike won 0. 0, 0, 0. As in the kind of pain that will be in Wike's mind now. The kind of pain that will be in his mind. Oh my goodness. Who sent this man? This man must be regretting it. Hey, what makes me to put Fubara as the governor? Well, Fubara did the right thing. Because if Fubara has been dancing to the tone of Wike, Fubara will be the one to suffer it. The people of Rivers are happy with Fubara. And that is the way it's supposed to be. Everybody knows that, Wike is very arrogant, both like Odindi, MHE, all those past governor of Rivers State, Wike don't respect them. He don't call them. Nobody, you are nothing. As far as you are not in his agenda, you are nothing. And shame unto the Inspector General of Police, who is always allowing people to use him for political reasons. Nigerians are watching you. And the day Nigeria will rise up against you, that day your eye go clear. Forget say you be IG. This is not a threat. I'm trying to tell you that we are watching the way you are meddling in political affairs. Anyway, I'm not surprised because this is a failed nation. This is a nation that things don't work. Where government sponsoring security against the people and police will not ask them anything. Where a sitting governor will come out and accuse the Minister of State, Matawande on that Tinubu, the IG did not even invite him. He's a minister, you don't have immunity. Look at what they say you did out of terrorism while you are a governor. So IG is supposed to invite him. When IG invited him, IG will ask him, look at the things you did. Look at what transpired. They did not do that. The military did not, invite him. A lot of abnormality has been going on in Nigeria. But you know what? Only people who are going to survive in Nigeria are people who are not normal. Because we are living in an abnormal country. So if you want to succeed, if you want to survive in this country, you don't have to be normal. You must be abnormal. That is just it. If you want to be normal, there is no way you can survive this country. You must be abnormal to survive this country. People who are not normal are not surviving. People who are normal are the ones who are going to jail. Just imagine today now, you people saw the video of Asari Dokubo, the video he was making, and Asari Dokubo was saying that he's going to shoot down military helicopter with his audacity. The other time he was making video and he brought out AK-47, and in Nigeria, an ordinary civilian is not allowed to carry AK-47. Who is Asari Dokubo? That is threatening to shoot down the military plane. Now, I am not going to say this because of sentiment or anything. If Nnamdi Kanu had ever said that he's going to shoot down military plane or helicopter, all those military plane that bandits, terrorists that they call bandits shot down, maybe they could have said that, it is Nnamdi Kanu that did that. But it's not him. And secondly, if it is someone like someone Ekpa that say he's going to shoot down the military plane, in Nigeria. They could have even carried the audio, go to UN, go to Finland, talking about extraditing. But someone is here, a Port Harcourt there, telling you that he's going to shoot down your military helicopter. And nobody dares him. Nobody. They're not born that person. We're both the military, both the police. They're not born on our way. Men will go tell the Asari Dokubo, why did you say so? Because he said something that I believe it is right, because Nigeria has failed. He said, I can contain them. And the federal government knows. They knew that I can contain them. What do you mean by I can contain them? In other words, if you want to fight them, he can fight them. He said, I will shoot down this helicopter. I will shoot down this helicopter. So I was watching this man. I say, oh, more. Nigeria don't reach like this, eh? Where ordinary civilian go come and say, go shoot down military helicopter. And fear no go let anybody talk. Fear no go let anybody talk. And Wike is shaking because Asari Dokubo is talking. Anyway, what I have to tell everyone is that you need to prepare and defend yourself in Nigeria. Prepare and defend yourself by all means, because things are not going the way we plan it. The world is going bad. Nigeria is going bad. You see, I was listening to Gandu J, the APC chairman. He said the template they use in Edo, they are going to use it all around Nigeria. It depends on the state anyway that we allow you people to use it. Let me give you an example. If not that, the Southeasterners, the Biafrans, they have vowed that they don't want to participate in Nigerian election again. And during the election, most of them don't find interest participating. Only a few people go out and vote. So all those votes you are seeing from the Southeast, because these people don't want to vote. If the Southeast want to vote, anytime they mean business, if they vote, nobody go rig the election. If they vote, their vote will be. Look at what happened in Aba now. In Abia, look at how they wanted to rig the election. The INEC woman, is it not the INEC chairperson? Yeah. The woman stood on her ground and make sure that the right result was declared. The fighting spirit of the people of the Southeast are the only people who are supposed to be able to hold all these political rascals, hold them responsible, but they are not interested in election. And you know, Rivers State is also an Igbo land. That is why you are seeing this kind of resistance. But other people like those, you know, in Yoruba, they don't have the guts, they don't have what it takes to hold these people down. So, Sinindaye Fubara, I know that you rigged this election, but people are happy with you. Yeah, you rigged this election, but people are happy with you because Wike rich person when they go carry paper put for eye because Wike a bad person, very very bad person. If Wike come out for street, any street when you go come and say you no carry security, on a normal people go stone am. People go stone am. So Fubara, thank you for destroying Wike's structure, and make sure you people continue to fight this fight, because this fight is a fight of, you know, evil versus evil. But people choose the evil part of Fubara's game against Wike's game. So that is the way things are now. Anything Wike is doing in Rivers, the people of Rivers should resist it. The Biafrans who were protesting, Wike killed a lot of them and so on and so forth. Wike have been committing a lot of atrocities and his cup is full. His cup is full. If Wike get mind, may work out without security. If you get mind, go work out without security. If you think your hands are pure, work out without security, like ordinary people like us, they go without security. May you yourself go work out without security. You're a minister, right? Forget your portfolio. Minister not be anything. You not get immunity. You not be governor. Ordinary minister you be. Come out from where you are. Go work out now without security if you get mind. If you get people, go work out without security. And let's see what is going to happen. You have lived such a bad life. You have gathered a bad name for yourself. And it's not going to augur with you.